Welcome to our deep dive into property taxes, including the often discussed land value tax. Property taxes are a significant source of revenue for local governments and can have a substantial impact on property owners. Today, we'll break down how these taxes work, provide examples, and discuss their implications. Property taxes are levied on real estate by governments, typically on a municipal level. They are based on the value of the property, which includes both the land and the buildings on it. Let's consider an example. Suppose you own a house that is valued at $300,000. The property tax rate in your area is 1.2%. To calculate your annual property tax bill, you would use the following equation. In this case, your annual property tax would be $300,000 asterisk 0.012 equals $3,600. Property taxes fund many services that benefit the community, including public schools, police and fire services, infrastructure maintenance, and local government administration. Different areas may have varying property tax rates and ways of assessing these taxes. Question: what factors can affect the amount of property tax you owe? Answer: several factors can influence your property tax bill. These include the assessed value of your property, the tax rate in your area, any applicable exemptions or deductions, and changes in local government policies. For instance, if your property's assessed value increases due to improvements or appreciation, your property taxes may go up. Now, let's talk about land value tax. This is a concept where the tax is levied on the value of the land itself, rather than the buildings or improvements on it. The land value tax is often considered more efficient and fair because it encourages the productive use of land. For example, if you own a plot of land valued at $100,000 and the land value tax rate is 2%, your annual land value tax would be $100,000 asterisk 0.02 equals $2,000. The land value tax system has its proponents who argue that it discourages land speculation and underuse. They say it can lead to a more efficient allocation of resources and stimulate economic growth. On the other hand, opponents argue that implementing a land value tax can be challenging, particularly in accurately assessing land values. Question: what are some potential benefits of adopting a land value tax over traditional property taxes? Answer: some potential benefits include encouraging the productive use of land, reducing speculative holding, promoting urban density, and potentially simplifying the tax system. Additionally, a land value tax can lead to a more equitable distribution of taxes as it focuses on unearned wealth from land ownership rather than improvements made by property owners. Let's visualize how property tax rates can vary across different regions using a bar graph. You can see that Region B has the highest property tax rate at 1.5%, while Region C has the lowest at 1%. Such differences can significantly impact property-related decisions for individuals and businesses. Let's take a look at how the implementation of a land value tax might influence land usage over time using a line graph. From the graph, we observe an upward trend in land usage efficiency over 5 years, suggesting that the land value tax could indeed encourage more efficient land use. There are several methods to potentially reduce your property tax burden legally. These include challenging the assessed value, ensuring you're taking advantage of all available exemptions, and considering any applicable deductions. For example, many jurisdictions offer homestead exemptions that reduce the taxable value of your primary residence. Question: what steps can you take to challenge your property's assessed value? Answer: to challenge your property's assessed value, you would typically need to gather evidence that your property is worth less than the assessed value. This may include recent sales data of comparable properties, an independent appraisal, or evidence of any factors that negatively impact your property's value. Then you'd file an appeal with your local tax assessor's office. Let's look at a pie chart to understand the distribution of property tax revenue utilization in a typical municipality. As we can see, a significant portion of property tax revenue often goes towards education and public safety. This underscores the importance of property taxes in maintaining key public services. Property and land value taxes can seem complex, but understanding how they work and how they impact you is crucial. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical knowledge. Remember to consult with a tax professional or financial advisor for all tax-related questions and personalized advice. Thank you for watching.